Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lux. Welcome to our channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. So today we have H4 Hippie, which is a Sargent Morsey cylinder, which we are going to try and get today. Now I have opened this one just once and I was absolutely chuffed to get it because it's took me a while, but hopefully now I can get this one picked on camera if I can. And too much room in this keyway, so just trying to work what I got. Let's click there, and again, and there we go. Minute and a half, we got it done. H4 by Hippie, complete. That's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.